Okay, it's recording now, I think. Yeah. No, there's one around the back. This is the Hummingbird Show.
It's a YouTube thing.
Yeah. I need to get my glasses on.
He's so cute. But he don't want nobody else to get any of that.
Well, they're still fighting about it?
Yeah.
Amazing. So we counted, what, 4?
Oh, 4 so far. Uh-oh, here comes another one. A dive bomber. No, you can't have any. He's so little to be so cocky. He saw another one. Get away.
Yeah, he's defending his food source, that little guy is.
Mine.
That's a bigger one. He's
Mine.
chasing the bigger ones away. Unbelievable.
Mine. Go away.
There, when they're on each opposite sides, they don't.
They don't see each other.
Yeah.
Hey, go away. Mine.
Well, there's 2 now. What happened to the other 2?
They'll be around.
Dang, 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 dang. Oh, now there's 3. There we go. Ding, 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 ding.
How did these little guys even survive in the wild? They're so tiny.
I know.
But they're aggressive.
Oh, yeah. This is, well, we've had them
Oh,
here.
Jesus, 4.
There's the 4.
Yeah. Now it's confusing.
Well, there's one real big one, and he's doesn't seem to be
And
getting
wimpy.
any.
He's wimpy.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's 4. Yeah.
They're hard to keep up with. Absolutely. I'm gonna kick your butt. Get out of here. Did you see his little head?
Oh, there's 5 now.
Oh, jeez. No wonder I almost got hit in the head. They were
Yeah.
battling this morning.
Yeah. The funny thing is, though, none of them are going to get anything because they're.
I know.
Oh, that guy got a little slurp. Thing is, whatever they eat, they're burning off, fighting each other.
No, they're not getting any protein. Go away. Mine. Mine. Oh, what a great movie.
Yeah.
Who needs Netflix?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was aggressive. My arms are hurting.
They're amazing, aren't they?
They are. Jeez.
They're the only bird that can fly in reverse.
They're like little miniature mosquitoes, or bigger
big
mosquitoes.
mosquitoes.
Big mosquitoes.
Fortunately,
Wow.
they just like nectar. Well, I mean, because of the drought, there's no flowers anywhere for them to feed off of.
Thanks, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
You gave them something to fight about. Poor guys. I guess we're gonna have to put some more hummingbird feeders out.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get another one.
That's just amazing.
Yeah. They're playing at this, you know. They're having fun.
They've got to be. I mean, I can't imagine torturing anybody like this.
Yeah. It's the little guy that's winning out.
I know.
Yeah.
He's so powerful, and he's like, "Hey, get out of here.
Yeah.
Go away. Goodbye.
This is mine.
Don't call here no more." He's just powerful. I'm gonna put a tracer on him.
Yeah, really.
He's
Try to find one that's small enough.
I'm on my way to where?
Brazil.
Brazil. Leave me alone. I'm trying to get enough energy.
Yeah.
I'll kick your butt. That's funny.
I'm glad we put this out. 'Cause-
I am too. It's amazing. What a show.
Yeah. Well, they've almost eaten in a week a quart of that nectar.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get some more.
Calm down. Look at him. He's a little perfect little specimen. Oh, he won. He got a drink. I'm tired. As long as I can't see you, you're okay.
Yeah. Yes, that little guy. He's fighting off 4 other guys eventually.
He's mean.
Oh yeah. Well, there's this. Oh, whoa! Somebody came pretty close there.
Somebody kicked him in the head.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There's 3. He's got to be tired. The heat is on.
Yeah. Yeah, really.
Ow. What the hell was that?
There's 2 big ones and 2 little ones. And the little ones seem to be winning.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I can't get over it's the little guy that's causing them all the problems because he's the one that's fighting it all all.
Yeah, because he's got the kahunas.
Yeah, kahunis.
He's going to turn around and say, "Hey, this is mine, mine, mine."
Mm-hmm.
He's got to just be wearing himself out.
Oh yeah, I mean, he's defeating the purpose.
And he's tapping them.
Yeah. Whoa!
That was amazing. I'm going to take a drink. Taking a break. Break time. Oh, here comes another one. Was this halftime?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Everybody's taking a break?
Yeah. Well, no, the one little guy's in there doing his thing.
It's halftime.
Yeah, and he's eating like crazy.
Here comes another one.
He's just not letting anyone near it.
See this. What do their eggs look like?
Itty bitty one.
Oh, good show.
It's amazing to watch them. I mean,
It is for me too. I've just never seen anything like this before. And where do they go when they booger off?
I think they fly around and then they come down out of the sun, you know, like little fighter planes.
You're pretty accurate.
Yeah.
You have to be when you go that fast.
Yeah.
You can't be running into any trees.
No.
That's funny.
Oh.
That was a takedown. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
Ow. Mine. Jeez. Who knew they could be so violent?
Yeah. Well, the crazy thing is, there's enough room for all of them to be on there
Well,
at the
yeah.
same time.
It's just Mr. Greedy there.
Yeah. Wow. Whoa! Did you see that one?
Yes, I did.
He's getting bombarded by all the other three. They're just doing a number on him here. Woo! Okay, and I'm gonna take a rest over here.
Oh, what a tiny bird. I see you.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna keep an eye on these guys when they're fighting.
Oh, got a drink. He got a drink.
Yeah, when he was figuring it out, he figured out that I'm just gonna wait here and wait until when they go away, I'm gonna get in there.
He got smart, didn't he?
Mm-hmm. Now it's a bigger one that's defending it, see?
Oh.
That's that little guy that... You two can go fight all you want. I'm gonna have to get some nectar. Mm-hmm.
They're hilarious.
Yeah.
What a great show.
Yeah, I think we'll have to get another one, put it on the other side of the deck.
No, really. At least somebody can get a drink.
Yeah.
This is great.
Well, the thing is, they're kind of defeating the purpose because they use up so much energy.
I know they're wearing out themselves just to get a drink.
Yeah.
Arr. Did you see that side fly?
Yeah, yeah.
Sideways?
Yeah, they do. They're nature's little helicopter,
I'm gonna
those
get us a
guys.
cigarette. Nature's little helicopters.
You're gonna turn it off, yeah.
Okay. That was a great